Hey, welcome back to the channel. Yes, another product testing. That's right. You know my usual deal on this one. I'm going to take it, I'm going to use it for a little while, then I'm going to give you a review on it. So today, it's a Harbor Freight special. It is my miter saw stand. That's right. And you guys know, if you've been following me long enough, you know, sometimes I test the product right out of the box, then see how well it lasts for a little while, unless I'm really impressed with it. It takes a lot to impress me. As you can tell with all the wood that is all over my floor, I have used this quite a bit. And you know what? For all the ones I looked up and researched and went to go see them personally, you know, went to the store to go look at it, this one from Harbor Freight, for the money, I think it was like 125 bucks. And then you get a 25% or 20% off coupon. Can't beat it. You're getting it for $105 before taxes. And you know what? The wheels that are on this, these are solid rubber wheels. I looked at one that Lowe's carried. They had one, I can't remember what company, whether it was blue. And the wheels were actually, you know, they were like hollow. You know, if you pull that hard enough, you could pull it right off the rim. I didn't like that. And this one, the legs are, you know, it's sturdy. You can hear it, that's thick. I love how far this thing extends. And I will show you. It extends out so far. I mean, it'll stop. It's not going to pull all the way out on you. I don't think it will. Nope. And the other side, I can only go so far because I have something in the way. But this will give you guys an idea. Well, no, I do have it. That right there, it will extend from there all the way over to there. That's a hell of a distance. Can't complain with that. Some of the other ones I looked at didn't even expand nowhere near that far. And it's nice, depending on the height of your chop saw, your miter saw. It had these little guys, you know, which is, I don't really use them. You know, it's got a height adjustment right here. So, you know, whatever wood you're cutting, you can raise it and lower it, things like that. I'm going to push that back in so I don't accidentally forget and catch myself on it. And pull this one back in. This one has the two on this side, but I have mine set where, you know, I have it screwed right there. This is where I got it set, so I can't complain with that. It's got nice legs on it. The leg, you know, you just push the button right here and then fold it up in there. All four of them do that. It sets up real easy. You know, once you fold these ones down, you fold down the other ones with the wheels. And here's your handle. You can just roll it away. It assembles very quickly. You know, you just got a couple of screws and some nuts right here. Everything, it just goes right into place. And it comes with these brackets for your miter saw. And it comes with the hardware. You know, it did give me that, which is nice. You know, I showed you in my other video, I did have these little black bars that came out. Actually, I'll show you what they look like, because I have them right here. Which they weren't bad. They were just, you know, I just didn't like them because they kind of got in the way for me. So I just took them out. Still hold on to them because you just never know. And these are, it does move very easily. These little things right here, they pull them up, pull up the other one, slide it down. If you know, you can make an adjustment on your cuts. And they click in really good. They click in nice and tight, which I like too. And the only thing is you got to make sure when you put these in there, because there is a little bit of movement. So this way, make sure you're in there really, really good so the saw is not on an angle accidentally. Just center it, you'll be fine. But other than that, I've had this one probably about as long as I've had my miter saw here. I've had this one, you know, 9-10 months, somewhere in there. I absolutely love it. I have no complaints with it at all. And I've used it quite a bit. I've used it for everything I have built so far. So over the past, I mean, almost a year, I have literally used it for everything I have cut up. You know, I like how it extends out. The metal is nice and thick. I mean, if you listen, it's pretty good steel. And it's coated, so it's not going to rust on you unless you nick it up really good. And then I've had it in here, and, you know, I get a little bit of condensation, you know, through my floor where the wall meets. If it's, you know, wintertime and everything's melting and it melts too quickly, I get a little bit of water in here. It happens. No rust issues. You know, all the hardware is holding on very, very well. You know, like I said, a lot of this comes pre-assembled. So I really can't complain with it. The only thing you got to put on are these brackets right here for your miter saw. It's easy to do. They give you the hardware, like I said. And it's definitely a good buy. I recommend it. I have looked at a lot of them. And for this price, for 125 bucks from Harbor Freight, definitely a good choice. It's a good choice for me. It works well for what I wanted. Some of the other ones, I just didn't really like them. And no complaints. So this one, I would give this one 1 out of 5 stars. I give it 5 stars. I really can't complain with it. So it's, you know, if you need one, you know, go there, get one. You know, even if something happens to it in like a month, you do something, you accidentally break it, I'm sure it'll exchange it or whatever. So that's my thoughts on this. I give it the 5-star rating. Till then, stay safe, wear your safety goggles, pay attention to your hands, keep them on your body. Till then, I'll talk to you guys later. Take it easy.